This is how we cut your fabrics at Backdrop Source. The cutting process of a fabric banners is a critical phase in manufacturing, requiring precise pattern, placement, and accurate cutting using automated machines. Quality control ensures uniformity, and the cut fabric pieces are bundled for subsequent production stages, contributing to overall excellence of the final fabric banners. Hot cutting, commonly executed with specialized tools, employs heat to achieve meticulous cuts, preventing fraying and ensure clean edges. This technique enhances the durability and aesthetics of fabric banners, making it particularly effective for achieving precise cuts in industrial settings.